Writing exercises with adjectives and adverbs. Improve your English grammar skills. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and engaging. In today's video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of adjectives and adverbs and explore how we can apply them in our writing. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to use adjectives and adverbs effectively. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the writing exercises, let's quickly review what adjectives and adverbs are. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, giving us more information about the noun's quality, size, color, or shape. For example, in the sentence, "She wore a beautiful dress," the word beautiful is an adjective describing the dress. On the other hand, adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, or to what extent an action is performed. For instance, in the sentence, "She danced gracefully," the word gracefully is an adverb modifying the verb danced, describing how she performed the action. Now that we have a clear understanding of adjectives, let's move on to some writing exercises to practice using them. Using adjectives effectively can add depth and detail to your writing, making it more vivid and engaging. Here are a few exercises to help you sharpen your skills. Exercise 1. Descriptive paragraph. Write a paragraph describing your favorite place using adjectives. Be creative and try to paint a picture with your words. Think about the sights, sounds, smells, and feelings associated with that place. Don't forget to use a variety of adjectives to make your writing more interesting. Exercise 2. Comparative and superlative forms. Practice using comparative and superlative forms of adjectives. Compare two objects, people, or places using adjectives to express their differences or similarities. For example, compare two movies, two cities, or two books. This exercise will help you understand how to use words like better, more beautiful, the best, the most interesting, and so on. Now let's shift our focus to adverbs and how they can enhance your writing. Adverbs add depth to your sentences by providing more information about how an action is performed. Let's explore some exercises to practice using adverbs effectively. Exercise 3. Adverbial phrases. Write a paragraph describing an exciting event you attended recently. Use adverbial phrases to express the time, manner, or place of the event. For example, instead of saying, "I went to a concert," say, "I eagerly went to an electrifying concert last Friday night." Exercise 4. Expressing degree. Practice expressing degree using adverbs. Write a paragraph describing your favorite activity and use adverbs to convey the intensity or extent of your enjoyment. For instance, instead of saying, "I like playing basketball," say, "I absolutely love playing basketball." Congratulations! You've completed the writing exercises with adjectives and adverbs. By practicing these exercises, you've honed your skills in using descriptive language and adding depth to your writing. Remember, adjectives and adverbs are powerful tools that can make your writing more engaging and captivating. We hope you found this video helpful in strengthening your understanding of adjectives and adverbs. Keep practicing and incorporating them into your writing to become a more confident English speaker and writer.